In today's review, we're diving into the services offered by Shapiro Medical Group, a well-known clinic for hair restoration and alopecia treatments. Shapiro Medical Group offers a range of solutions, focusing on hair transplant surgery and medical therapies. I've been looking into hair restoration options for some time now, and after researching different providers, I decided to give Shapiro Medical Group a try. The website is very user-friendly, providing all the necessary information about their services, including detailed descriptions of the various procedures available. I scheduled a consultation with the team, and I was impressed by the professionalism and expertise they demonstrated. The clinic specializes in both FUE, follicular unit extraction, and FUT, follicular unit transplantation, which are among the most popular hair transplant methods today. These procedures aim to restore hair by either relocating hair follicles from a donor site or using advanced techniques to ensure minimal scarring and quicker recovery times. When it comes to results, the reviews from others who have undergone treatments at Shapiro Medical Group were overwhelmingly positive. They mentioned not only the professionalism of the staff, but also the impressive results they've seen after just a few months. After my consultation, I decided to proceed with the FUT procedure, as it seemed like the best fit for my needs. The procedure itself was done with great care, and the staff made sure I was comfortable throughout the process. Post-surgery recovery was smoother than expected, with clear guidelines provided by the clinic on how to take care of my hair. Now, a few months into my recovery, I can already notice significant improvement in hair growth. The results are promising, but I have yet to see the final outcome, which could take up to a year for some patients. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Shapiro Medical Group provides a professional and comprehensive solution for those struggling with alopecia or hair loss. While the process can be a bit expensive, the results, in my case, have been worth it. If you're considering a hair restoration treatment, I highly recommend looking into Shapiro Medical Group. Just make sure to have a clear idea of your expectations and consult with their team to find the best treatment plan for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews. Also, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Your support means a lot.